Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix both earbud sound problem in your smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if you are having these type of issues, sound problem, or there is a crackling sound, or the musics are not clear in this, so I will tell you how you can solve these issues. So firstly, you can reset your earbuds first. Sometimes it is a connectivity issue, or your earbuds not have charged properly. So first just reset your earbuds. So here are the two buttons. You have to press both of them for at least 4 to 5 seconds, and then it will be reset. It means no device is connected to the earbuds. Secondly, you can do is charge your earbuds to the full. You have to just wait for a 2 to 3 hours, and then it will be charged properly. Then friends, you have to just open your earbuds and connect it with your smartphone. Just uh, keep in mind, you have to reset your Bluetooth from your mobile phone, whichever you want to connect it. So it is now connected successfully, and I have used it. It is not having any sound. There is a much clarity in this, and problem is solved successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.